Effective accountability systems lead to faster execution, fewer meetings, shorter meetings, and reduced victim culture. Guys, that's a big one, the victim culture thing. If everybody's holding each other to a high standard, if everybody's holding themselves to that high standard, and stop playing victim, you guys will be more efficient, more effective. Again, as leaders, it's for us to take that inward step and say, what am I doing that's contributing to this chaos, to this overage in spending, to this overage in coverage from a wages standpoint? What am I doing that could contribute to driving the market share effort in our company? How do we move from green GSS to platinum GSS by the year end? What can I do to contribute to that? Versus, oh, my building leaks, that's why our GSS is going to be bad. Oh, we have to tell our guests to walk 2 miles to the track, that's why the GSS is going to be bad this weekend. What are we doing as a leadership culture to get rid of that victim mentality of, and just accepting the fact that, oh, there's nothing we can do about it, to really punch this thing across the goal line, right? So, consequences of not holding people accountable. Avoiding the difficult conversations causes a ripple effect. Top performers become disengaged when they see low performance not being addressed. Talked about this in the past. You guys probably may or may not have been in that training where I talk about shitty players. And when I spell shitty, it's CHITTY, because it's the C players. Chitty chitty bang bang, right? You've seen that word up on the whiteboard. And everyone probably wonders, why is there chitty on the board? It's shitty, spelled with a C. So you have your A players that are performing, and then you got these C players that are in the organization just collecting a check. And the leader is not holding these C players accountable, right? So what happens with these A players? Well, they either become B players, or they really slack off, become C players, or even worse, they say, my leader's a joke, and they leave the organization. So you got to think about that, right? As leaders, are we looking at our team and being like, hey, this person needs to get their shit together. They're chitty. They're chit. They need to get their chit together. And if they don't, they won't be a fit in our organization, right? But I go back to the fact of like, what things have happened to progress to this one point? They don't just wake up and be like, you know what, I'm going to be a C player today. Where did we miss it?